Mission accomplished. Most impressive technique, stranger from another world.
We found you, Kiyomori! Attention! Go forth and capture Dashi!
Why does it have to be so heavy?
Lady Dachi, would you like some assistance with that crate?
No, I'm fine. But if I need any more help, I'll let you know, okay?
If you are sure about it, please let me know if you change your mind.
Thank you.
I bid you farewell.
Just a little longer, Lord Orochi.
There you are.
Oh, my head.
Mortals, behold, this is what you are striving to protect. No! Not this time.
What the hell are you doing here?
Ayane, have you come to bring me back to the village?
Don't flatter yourself. I have more important things to do than chase after you.
Set aside your petty differences. Focus on what matters now.
Oh, he's scary.
Tell me, are you from this world?
So what if we are? Princess! Are you alright?
Princess? You mean to say you are of royal blood?
I guess that would be accurate.
Forgive me. It is a knight's duty to be of service to any princess. Now then, allow me to show you the iron in my words. This is what Sterkenberg's servitude can provide.
Not bad at all. However, I'm the princess who takes charge of the front lines and doesn't need to be protected by anybody.
What is the matter, humans? You cannot afford to fail, especially now. I will lead you. Now you can rest your fears. Victory is assured because of Susano-o.